Hello everyone! In this video, we are going to answer questions related to Venn diagram. Okay? So, for number 1, in the instruction, ang nakalagay is to illustrate the given operation using a Venn diagram. So, I had already drawn here sets J, A, and R. For number 1, puro ko lang ng konti. We need to illustrate J intersection A prime intersection R prime. Yung J muna yung i-shade natin. And then A prime. Okay, since we are looking for intersection, diba for A prime, we will only shade everything in the universal except A. But since intersection siya, let us only shade the portion wherein A prime would intersect J para hindi na tayo mahirapan mag-delete later. So, the portion in A prime that would intersect with J is only this part. Okay? Yan. Ibig sabihin, etong part na to, pwede na natin siyang tanggalin because since it did not intersect with A prime, it would not intersect with R prime as well. Okay, next. Intersection nitong dalawa with R prime. Ibig sabihin, we will shade everything in the universal except R. Ito yung part na to. Okay? Kasama rin naman to, but since it is not part of the intersection, wag na natin siyang i-shade because it is not part of the final answer. Etong part na to, delete na natin. Okay? So, the shaded part here now is the intersection of J and A prime and R prime. Yan lang sila mag-i-intersect. Next, number 2. We have the union of J and A intersection with the union of A and R. Okay. So, JA union, ito yan. And then, AR, union naman, gamit tayo ng ibang color, A and R, ito namang part na to. Intersection, ang may iwan na part ay yung may parehong green and blue. Ito ay tanggalin na natin. Included itong part na to kasi J. Teka, wait. Kasama ba siya? Yan. Kasi masishade siya dito, diba? So, included talaga yon. And then, ito, burahin na natin. So, that is the intersection of J union A and A union R. Ito, J union A, A union R. Yung A, pareho naman siyang nag-appear. So, talagang kasama siya dito. And then, yung portion ng intersection ng J with A and R with A, yun din yung mapapasama. Next, number 3. Number 3, we have A union R, complement of A union R. Okay. Ibig sabihin, everything in the universal except A union R. Yun lang yung hindi natin masishade, yung A union R. Shaded pa rin yan. Yung A and R lang ang hindi kasama. That is the complement of A union R. Next, complement of intersection. Huwag ko nang burahin yung ibang part. Kasi complement din siya. So, save ko na yung ibang part. Number 4, complement of intersection of J, A, and R. Intersection nilang tatlo. Itong maliit, complement. Yun ang hindi kasama. Yung intersection nilang tatlo. syempre, kailangan mas accurate, mas shade nyo lahat ng part para at least nakikita na talagang ang wala lang shade ay yung portion ng intersection ni J, A, and R, which is this part in the middle. Next, number 5, we have R minus A minus J. Shade muna natin si R. Number 5 to R minus A minus J. Okay, that's R minus A. Erase natin tong part na to. Minus J. Erase na din tong part na to. That is R minus A minus J. Okay, let's have a few more examples. Sige, number 6. Blue ang gamitin natin. Number 6, we have R prime. That will be everything in the universal except R. Yan. Yung R lang yung walang shade. Okay, that is number 6. Number 7, we have R minus J. Parang yung ginawa natin kanina. Number 7, R minus J. Shade muna natin si R. And then minus J. Yan, that is R minus J. Number 8, we have A intersection R and then complement minus J. Okay. A intersection R, ito yun. Pero complement, we will shade everything in the universal except for A intersection R, which is this portion here. Yan. I hope nakikita na ang portion lang talaga na walang shade ay ito, yung intersection. Yan. May na-shade na konti. Erase natin. Itong part na to, which is the intersection of A and R, ang walang shade. Minus J, we also have to erase this part. Lahat ng J, tanggalin natin. Yan. So, that is the complement of A intersection R minus J. Next, number 9. Number 9, we have J union A intersection with R. J union A, ito yun. Intersection of J union A with R is only this part. Tanggalin na natin to. Oops. Yan. Ito na lang ang naiwan. Ito, yung nasa baba. That is the intersection of R with J union A. And then, number 10. Parang meron na to kanina. Pero anyway, gawin natin ulit. Number 10. That is R minus A minus J. The R. And then, subtract natin yung J. Subtract natin yung A. That is R minus A minus J. Okay. Let us now prove De Morgan's law. According to De Morgan's law, yan. Actually, dalawa yan. Ito muna ang una. Number 1, we have, let us show that A union R, or the complement of A union R, is equal to the complement of A intersection with the complement of R. Sige, let us show if that is true. Yung una muna, A union R, edi ito yon. Complement, we will shade everything in the universal except for A union R. Edi ito yon, yung nasa labas. According to De Morgan's law, dapat daw ito ay maging equal dun sa intersection of A prime with R prime. Oops, burahin ko lang yung excess. Okay, pasensya na sa aking drawing. Anyway, clear naman na ito lang yung walang shade, ano? Yan. Dito naman tayo sa kabila. A prime, we will shade everything except for A. Let's use another one. We will shade everything, another color, I mean. Let's shade everything kasi R, complement of R, so everything in the universal except for R. Lahat naman siya. Ay, sorry, hindi kasama yung R. So, itong orange na to, wala. Ang may iwan lang ay yung intersection ng blue and orange. Mabubura na talaga yung lahat ng nasa R. Mabubura din lahat ng nasa A. So, the only shaded portion is this part except for A and R, which is the same as the first one. So, meaning, this statement here is true. Okay? Sige, erase natin to. There is another one actually. Yung number 2. Wait lang. Yan. Kinover ko kasi siya ng figure. Number 2. Now, we need to show that the intersection, the complement of intersection A and R, A intersection R, complement is the same as union of A prime and R prime. Sige. A intersection R, ito yung portion na yon, complement, and everything will be shaded except for A intersection R. Oops. May na-shade na portion. Sorry. I'm sure nakikita nyo naman yung gusto kong shadean. Itong part na to ang wala. Medyo lagyan ko lang dito to emphasize that the only portion that is not shaded is the intersection of A and R. Next, dito naman sa kabila, let us show kung magiging pareho yung result. A prime, we will shade everything except for A. Yan. Hindi itong R, shaded din yan. Okay. And then, let's use a different color. Orange again. R prime. Lahat naman, shade natin. Except for R. Okay. So, dahil union, ang operation natin, lahat ng nagkaroon ng shade, kasama na sa may shade. Which means that the only portion that is not shaded is this part here, which is A intersection R. Which means that these two operations are equal. Okay? That's the end of our discussion. Thank you for watching. Bye!